Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2004 Suzuki GSXR750. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 24,487 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility and a plate light. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the chain and sprockets are nearing the end of their life. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the engine case, a decal blemish on the right fairing, paint blemishes on the rear wheels, and paint blemishes across the tail fairing. This bike has one key and has been upgraded with an EFI module, frame sliders, a windscreen, flush mount front turn signals, integrated rear turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, grips, levers, a D&D exhaust, and a red chain. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.